Imagine if just one simple natural remedy could ease your pain, help you sleep better, and even give your skin a youthful glow, all within just 7 days. Hey, health warriors! Today, we're diving into a topic that might surprise you: the power of castor oil for everyone, especially those over 50. I know, castor oil has a reputation as grandma's remedy, but let me tell you, it has some incredible benefits, especially as we age. So, if you're ready to learn how this ancient oil could help relieve joint pain, improve digestion, and even give you that healthy glow, stick around because you're going to be amazed. We're breaking it all down step by step, so let's jump right into the science, benefits, and easy ways to use castor oil that could transform your health. As we get older, sleep can sometimes become a struggle. For many, stress, health conditions, or just changes in our bodies can lead to sleepless nights. But did you know that castor oil might actually help you get better sleep? The science: castor oil contains calming compounds that relax your body, helping you sleep more deeply. Studies have even shown its mild sedative effects, making it a natural remedy for sleep issues. How to use it: before bed, warm a small amount of castor oil in your palms and massage it gently onto your scalp, temples, and the soles of your feet. Focus on massaging it to increase relaxation. It's like giving yourself a spa treatment before you sleep, and it works wonders. Imagine waking up feeling refreshed and ready for the day. By adding this simple step to your nighttime routine, you're giving your body a little extra support for quality sleep, naturally. One of the most common struggles as we age is joint pain. It can come from arthritis, old injuries, or simply years of wear and tear. But this is where castor oil shines. Why it works: castor oil is packed with a special compound called ricinoleic acid, which has powerful anti-inflammatory effects. Studies show that applying it can significantly reduce pain and stiffness, especially in areas like the knees and hands. How to apply: warm a little castor oil, massage it gently onto the affected joint, and cover it with a soft cloth. Let it sit for an hour. Many seniors have shared that doing this daily for a week made their joint pain manageable. This simple remedy can be a game changer, helping you regain mobility and comfort without relying solely on medication. Okay, let's talk about a less glamorous but essential topic: digestion. Constipation can become an issue as we age, but castor oil can provide gentle relief. How it helps: castor oil works as a natural laxative, gently stimulating the muscles in your intestines. But remember, moderation is key. A teaspoon taken with water can encourage a healthy digestive flow. Important note: if you're thinking of using castor oil for digestive health, always consult your healthcare provider first. Start with a small dose and see how your body responds. Many have found that just one small dose, taken carefully, can bring incredible relief. Our skin tends to lose moisture and elasticity over time, but castor oil is an incredible natural moisturizer. Why it works: castor oil is rich in fatty acids that deeply nourish the skin and lock in hydration. Regular use can reduce the appearance of wrinkles, keeping your skin soft and radiant. Application: before bed, apply a thin layer of castor oil to your face and neck, letting it work overnight. You'll wake up with refreshed, hydrated skin, no need for pricey creams. Imagine the confidence boost of seeing smoother, glowing skin every day. There you have it, folks. Castor oil isn't just an old remedy, it's a powerful, natural ally in helping you feel and look your best as you age. Whether you're seeking better sleep, relief from joint pain, improved digestion, or youthful skin, this oil has something for everyone. If you're ready to give it a try, remember to start slowly and consult your healthcare provider if you're unsure. Health is all about small steps, and castor oil might just be the step that changes everything. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more health tips, and share it with someone who could benefit. Here's to health, vitality, and feeling your best at any age.